once again, it's our pleasure from Television Zambia and Radio Zambia to welcome you to this very special interview we have for you tonight. We are privileged once again to have the head of state, President Kenneth Kaunda, who, as you will recall, turned 59 some 13 days ago. So in fact, today the president is 59 years old, 1 week and 6 days.
I'm grateful to all of you for getting me over here and to exchange views on a number of issues around my 59th birthday. Well, really, what is man without a family? Yeah, and this goes to any man, married or unmarried, woman or man, for that matter. In this case, when I say man, I'm talking of man in universal terms. With that, I would say, Comrade Chairman, that I am very much attached to my family. I have no right to love the rest of the human race if I have no love for my family. Because that family is part and parcel of the human race. And because they have to grow up with me and within my personal control, I have to try and find time for them. And it is because I have not been able to do this of late that I complained publicly the other day that I did not know my grandchildren would be able to remember me. You have read part 2 of Philosophy of Humanism. I made a point there that my first granddaughter at one stage was complaining that her grandfather no longer loved her because I had been away from her for some time. Now with this, you can see that I am very much attached to my family, and yet it is true to say that in terms of duties and responsibilities, my first a portion of time must always go to the nation. There's no way in which you can escape this, and that's the meaning of sacrifice. When I speak of my looking young and where do I find the energy, really I have no other secret. To tell you the truth, I have said several times of late, my humble parents taught me to believe in God. Now, because of what has happened to me in the last six years or so, I know God lives. I know God lives. And there is not anything that I can do without him. So if I'm looking younger, I don't know, I can't tell whether I'm looking young or not. You are saying that yourselves. I can only put this to the tender mercies of the good Lord, my Creator. I know he lives. And when I wake, therefore, I'm waking knowing that even if my body is tired, he will find a way of rejuvenating it, one or another.